Hi everyone, welcome to Iconic Chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to explain one important concept, that is stability of resonating structures. Generally in NEET and IIT examination, you will get question like this. They will give four resonating structures, among all which is more stable, otherwise among all which is less stable. They will ask like that. Sometimes they may ask like this, arrange stability order, 1, 2, 3, 4, out of 4, arrange stability order like that. So if you want to solve that type of questions in a very smooth manner, these rules are very important. So super 6, there are 6 rules. Rule number 1, increase the number of covalent bonds, increase the stability. Increase the number of covalent bonds, increase the stability, which means increase the pi bonds, increase the stability. Next, rule number 2, neutral species and charged species, which is more stable, neutral is more stable. Next to, if negative charge present on more electronegative atom, that is more stable. If positive charge present on more electronegative atom, that is less stable. Next, unlike charges means plus or minus. Clear na? Yeah. Unlike charges are closer, more stable. Unlike charges are far away, less stable. That is the logic. Last rule, like charges are closer, less stable. Like charges are far away, more stable. So these 6 rules very important. You have to take screenshot and you have to practice very well. Practice. Practice makes man perfect. Once upon a time, Bruce Lee says like this, I don't fear to the person who knows thousands of kicks. I only fear to the person who practiced one kick for 1000 times. That is the reason you have to practice very well. How to solve these questions? Arrange in the order of stability. First one, second one, third one. So out of 3, which is more stable? Yeah, we have to apply the rules. Already I have given 6 rules. First you have to give first priority to first rule. What was the first rule? Increase the number of covalent bonds, increase the stability. Which means increase the pi bonds, increase the stability. Yeah, just to have a look. 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds. 1, 2, 2 bonds. So out of 3, which is the least stable? This is the least stable. This is the least stable. Why? Because only 2 covalent bonds. Next, here 3 covalent bonds, here also 3 covalent bonds. But one second rule. What was the second rule? Neutral species, charged species, which is more stable? Neutral. That's the reason first one is more stable. First one is more stable. So what was the right answer? What was the right answer? 1 greater than, 2 greater than 3. Clear? Next, same logic you have to apply. This is the neutral species and these 2 charged species. Clear? First, how many covalent bonds here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do one thing. You should focus on pi bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bonds. Clear? But this is a neutral species, that's the reason this is more stable. Next to these 2 charged species, you have to apply another rules. Plus or minus. Unlike charges are closer, which means stable. Plus or minus. Unlike charges are far away, unstable. You have to apply rule number 5 and rule number 6. Clear? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3 is the right answer. Next, 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds. Here only 2 bonds. That's the reason first one is more stable. Next, same logic. This is neutral, this is charged. Otherwise, you may apply here 2 pi bonds, so here only 1 pi bond. Which is more stable? 100. Clear? Yeah. But this concept is only related to resonating structures. If given structures are resonating structures, then only you have to apply these rules. Clear? Yeah. Just to have a look. CH3, C double bond O minus. CH3, CO minus double bond. Let us assume this is first one, this is second one. So out of 2, which is more stable? अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछे तो क्या करना? ये दोनों सेम है ना? इसको क्या बोलते? इक्वल रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स बोलते. इक्वल रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स मतलब इक्वल स्टेबिलिटी. सो दोनों का स्टेबिलिटी सेम है. 1 equal to 2. Clear? Yeah. Carry on. Yeah. Next question. The most stable canonical structure is canonical structure, resonating structure, meaning same, don't get confused. Sometimes they will ask like this, sometimes they will ask like this. Which one is the most stable resonating structure? Clear? So you have to apply the rules. What was the first rule? Increase the number of covalent bonds, increase the stability. Yeah. So here how many covalent bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 covalent bonds are there. Here same logic. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 covalent bonds are there. So what was the question? The most stable resonating structure. So the answer is C according to rule number 1. So rules very important. Just go through rules. If you want to solve in-depth questions on this topic, so if you want to take, you can take online class. Okay na? Yeah.